What's going on, YouTube? So today on Kagome CV axles, as you can tell, they're done. Trash. AutoZone special right there, guys. We do have the Insane Shaft 500 horsepower 32 millimeter axles in the box over yonder that way. So we're gonna get those in, and obviously, come on, guys, CV axles, bottom bolt there, and then obviously your shock. Right here's your shock fork, bottom bolt there, and obviously we got to get that guy there out. You just hop in there and do a little pry to it, or you can smack with a hammer. I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get the CV axle in, and we will move to the next side. I might do a little unboxing on the Insane shafts actually, for you guys. I'll pull them out when I get this piece pulled out of the transmission. I'll pull them out. We'll do the unboxing, and that's it, I guess. Very boring day today, guys. So as you can tell, she's still same old. Not much changed since my tune. That video is coming, guys. Sorry for the editing. Not my specialty, but I'm working on it. Sorry about that lighting, guys. But she is still running fine. Tuned, made pretty much 228. I want to say 167 torque. K20A2 full bolt-ons. Not a big tube header, but a average tube header, I guess, in a sense. Budget header. Don't know the name. It's a K-tuned, missing the plate, or it's a knockoff K-tuned, a good one at that. But isn't not the K-tuned big tube. So with that and maybe some E85, I do have a 3-inch exhaust already on here. I could probably pull that 230 area out of it pretty easily. But there's no point, guys. I want to go boost. You know this if you've watched my previous videos. I am working on it. I know it's been a month since I've uploaded, guys. I am sorry. I just realized that. I was hoping to post the video last week of the tune, but we're going to play with them dates a little bit. We're going to post this video. This is an update video, quick little repair, nothing major. Already got this wheel off, but I haven't done anything else besides that. Still filming this on my phone for now. I do have my GoPro and stuff, but as always, it's dead. But speaking of turbo, guys, when I tell you I am working on it, I'm getting that content. We're getting there. It is a budget. That is for sure. Going from a 255 to a 320, I think, maybe 340 pump. I got my gauges, all AEM, my 1300cc injectors. Some beautiful injectors, by the way. Very good budget injectors. If anybody wants the information on that, EB Tech is where I'm ordering pretty much everything from. Get it from a dealer, guys. Don't get knockoff. Buy it once. That's my plan. Actually, I think everything on this car has pretty much been ordered through them. Fast shipping, can't beat it. And he has helped me with a lot of my indecisive decisions on what to go with and to use for this setup. I am upgrading to a 1-inch Brakemaster setup. Got a hybrid racing box of goodies, a bunch of other stuff. Let's see here. Here we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Brand new OEM fuel filter. Oh yeah, look at there, guys. And then This box is my intercooler right here. Don't mind my chewy box. ACT clutch I put in. I do have a video on that. I do not like the way it turned out, so I might not be using that. Let's see how I can edit it, guys. And to be honest, I think I forgot to film the whole like end half, the reinstall, but I guess you do it backwards. So, but it's pretty easy. I did it. You know, I didn't drop the whole motor or anything. I just dropped the trans, do it in. That clutch feels great. It's a clutch, that's for sure. It should hold the power that I'm hoping to get out of this thing. And awesome tires there. Toyo or 888s. The clutch came from EB Tech as well. It's a extreme HD stage whatever 5, I think is how they do it, but it's like 400 torque it should hold. This is a K20, so as long as I don't go over 400 torque, it'll hold the horsepower. That's it. Here is just tons and tons of stuff. I got the oil lines. I have, I don't even know what this is. Oh, shifter cable bushings are coming. Oh yeah, them finally came in. That's a real beautiful piece. It's like a spherical type bushing. Heck, I don't even know what's in this box. What is this? Oh yeah, I got the blowout valve. I mean, I pretty much have everything right now besides the turbo itself. The manifold it's a Sidewinder. We'll get into details on that when it comes in. But it's coming. It's custom made. I think it's made from a guy in like North Carolina or South Carolina, something like that. But it's custom made, stainless steel. You know, whatever options you want. Price goes by the options you get. I'm going with a 44mm wastegate. That should help with boost creep. If you got a K24, you probably want to go with a 60. I was thinking about going with the 60, but all around cost, the 44 saved me like $300-400, and the K20 I have doesn't see boost creep like that. With the 44s, they see minimal to none. K24s, they see a little bit up top. No biggie. Let's see, guys. Let's see. I think that's about it for now. Hybrid racing goodies. I got the D10 spring, the shifter springs, all kind of stuff. All that's going to come when we pull this motor and everything to do the bay, clean up the motor. We're going to reseal the motor. I'm not sure if we're going to reseal the trans yet. It runs, really doesn't leak. It's nothing wrong with it. I don't plan to leave it in there for too long. I plan to get something built because everybody knows the infamous K series and boost. But back to when my axles actually broken while I'm switching them right now. I've had the insane shafts on the shelf here, I don't know, about 2 months now. Like, I'm just slowly buying and collecting for you guys. I know. Been running the AutoZones pretty much since I swapped the car. I plan to go boost. I was like, I broke one set pretty quick, and then I put these on. It was alright. The other clutch was already slipping a little bit, so I guess it saved the axles. But once I get this new clutch in, they didn't even do one launch. So that's why I'm replacing these. Just the clutch didn't slip, the tires didn't slip, and the clutch exploded. To be honest, guys, I don't know what I've done with the old clutch. Yes, I do. In the new clutch box. Might be able to get a 10-minute video or so out of this. That's awesome. I'm trying to get my video times up a little bit. Just chat with you guys. Old clutch stuff, but obviously everything came with it. The disc is under here, but it was really messed up, guys. So that side, obviously you can see everything on it. Let's see, yeah, or lack thereof. Pretty uneven wear, but this side, look at that, nothing. So pretty much all of it came off besides that little corner there, right there. You see the corner that's still on there. Yeah, done. Slipping and jerking. I got it home. Already knew what it was. I let it sit for like a week or two before I messed with it. Work's been busy. I know the pandemic and everything's going on, but my work hasn't slowed down. People, if anything, people at home seeing problems and giving me a call. The garage is still a mess, as anyone can see in the background. I'm working on that. I just got my shed up. Not sure if I posted that video, but I do have a 10 by 17 car port, making it into a shed. It's gonna house everything, and my garage isn't that bad. It's just everything's in the floor right now. I got 20-inch tires. I got 20-inch rims. I got over there. There's 3 sets of brand new tires. And motor parts. I got some motor parts. One big thing is I got like this metal here. I'm gonna make an engine dolly. There's so much room. You can't tell, but that's a 2 by 2 foot space just for that metal. Massive, massive motor puller. I can't wait to put this in the shed. Which everything's going in the shed. Everything's in bins. Like that box there, that's B series parts and like little miscellaneous old stuff from old cars, defending trucks, whatever. To hold on to help the buddies out when they need something. To get them on the road. Valve cover, harness, starter, head. That's future video. The block that you see in the background, I'm gonna use that for my engine dolly. And as for the car though, look at that box there, guys. Everything in here is to paint, do a mild shave on the bay, engine paint, everything. I mean, I'm gearing up for this. Winter will be here before we know it. I'm going to ride this car out the way it is until the winter. We're gonna pull this swap, get the bay where it needs to be, get the swap where I want it to be looks wise, and I guess you guys can follow along and see where we go. Let's knock out these axles.